Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn BODMAS and I'm going to tell you where the kids make mistake in the video. We are learning the rules and then we are going to solve some problems regarding the topic BODMAS. So as we know, BODMAS means B stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. We have to follow the rule when we are solving the sum. With this rules, we have to keep it in the mind the brackets also as small bracket, curly bracket and big bracket. We have to first solve the small bracket, then the curly bracket and then the big bracket. Okay, so up till now hope it is clear to everybody. Let us revise. BODMAS stands for bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In the sum, we have to first solve the small bracket, then the curly bracket and then the big bracket. That is the first rule. Now we are moving to the second rule. When only sign of multiplication and division go from left to right. That means here in this equation 25 multiplied by 5 divided by 5. So here technically as per this we have to do division first, but here as there is a only sign of multiplication and division, we will follow the left to right rules. That means we have to follow first this. So 25 multiplied by 5 is 125 divided by 5 and the answer is 25. Like that you have to solve. Same thing applies when there is a sign of subtraction and addition. Again you have to apply the rule from left to right. So again let us summarize the second rule also. When only sign of multiplication and division go from left to right, and same rule applies for addition and subtraction. Hope that is clear to everybody. And then now let's go to the sum. Let's solve some sums. Here in the first sum we have 18 minus 2 in a small bracket 5 plus 1 divided by 3 plus 7. As we have discussed the rules, and in the rules we have understood that we have to first solve the small bracket. So we are solving the first this bracket, the small bracket, and rest of the number with the brackets comes as it is. So we will write here, we are solving this working for only this underlined digits. 8 minus 2 in bracket 6, the bracket over, divide by 3 plus 7. Now we have to open this bracket. But here 2 in bracket 6. As there is no sign between 2 and 6, we have to consider it is a multiplication sign. So here it is 18 minus 12 divided by 3 plus 7. Now we will solve the bracket. 18 minus 12 is 6 divided by 3 plus 7. So 18 minus 12 is equal to 6 divided by 3 plus 7. So 6 divided by 3. Now check, there is no sign of multiplication and division. That is why we will follow the BODMAS. So 6 divided by 3, 2 plus 7, which is 9. And 9 is our answer. Okay, now we are solving the question number 2. So the sum says 8 plus 8 of 8 divided by 8 plus 8. Follow the rule BODMAS. There is no brackets, but there is off. So we will solve first for off. So is equal to 8 plus 8 of 8 means 64. 8 of 8 is 8 multiplied by 8, which is 64, divided by 8 plus 8. Divide by 8 plus 8. Now division. So 8 plus 64 divided by 8 is 8 and then plus 8. Now all addition, so 8 plus 8 plus 8 is equal to 24. And this is the answer. Now the third question. 78 minus in bracket 5 plus 3 of in small bracket 25 minus 2 multiplied by 10 bracket over. First what do we solve? First we have to solve the brackets. So in brackets it is a small bracket we will have to solve first. The rest of the number will come as it is down in the next step. 78 minus 5 plus 3 of. Now here multiplication. So it will be 25 minus 20. Again 78 minus, we have to solve this, 5 plus 3 of 25 minus 20 is 5. The small brackets we have already solved. Now 78 minus 5 plus of is 3 multiplied by 5, which is 78 minus 5 plus 15. Now 78 minus 20, which is 58, and 58 is the answer. Now fourth one, that is a word problem, and from the word problem we have to make the equation. So the word problem says if 81 is divided by the sum of 5 and 4 and then subtracted from 10, what will be the answer? So here in this case the kids makes mistake like 81 divided by 5 plus 4 subtracted by 10. But this is a completely wrong equation. Here it is said that 5 plus 4, the sum of 5 plus 4, so 5 plus 4 is divided by 81 and then the whole thing is subtracted from 10. So 10 may say you have to subtract the answer for this one, and we have to solve this. So 10 minus 81 divided by 9, 10 minus 9, which is 1. Answer.